Hello everyone, I am King Friday and I'm going to show you how to install Unity Hub and Unity Editor on Linux. First thing you'll want to do is download Unity Hub. Then, move the Unity app image anywhere you want. Now hit the Super key and look for Startup Applications. Click Add, click Browse, and then select the Unity app. Now we need to make this app image launchable. Right-click in the same folder where the app is located and click Open Terminal. Now in the terminal, type chmod space A+X space unityhub.appimage. unityhub.appimage is case sensitive. Then hit enter. Now, when you click on the app image or you restart your computer, Unity Hub should launch. Next, sign in and set up your license. Now we need to install a version of the Unity editor. I'm going to download the latest LTS of 2020. I'm going to create a new folder to store my Unity projects. Then I'm going to install the FPS micro game. And there you have it, Unity on Linux. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up Visual Studio Code as well as make sure IntelliSense is working. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the like button. If you would like to ask a question or request a future topic, please leave a comment below.